Sure. Thought I'd jump on the E Tū Whānau challenge. Yeah, so let's go. It's safe to say it ain't safe to say a thing unless it brings something to the table. My bones still sing like elbows to the table. Paranoia still sinks in my DNA. Unless we behave, it's generational curses of chains and whips through a trench that's ongoing. My people once were is an understatement. Due to colonization, this conversation is long overdue. Due to my people being oppressed, my people still test the waters that's no longer theirs. Instead, we have an address on a piece of land that brings no peace to the land except a piece of the pie to a man's pocket whose appetite knows no boundaries. See, this is where they found me. When I was young, I was told to harden up, and everything I did wasn't hard enough. And if that wasn't hard enough, our skin color had people trying to target us. It's obvious. But if we don't do nothing about it, then what comes after us? It's not your fault. Our native tongue's been hung to dry. Anaphylaxis to the taxis here, stung from behind. All because of that beehive place. Trying to plead my case at a deep fried pace. Instead, they numb it. Liquor store in every corner, yeah, they see our taste. I can't stand it. I'm sick and tired of my brothers falling short. Sisters trying to score. At the liquor store trying to find a place to mourn. You were born to do better, but better's not an option. A product of your own environment, yeah, that's just one of our problems. But I'm just here to say that you are valued, you are loved, and you are cared for. Kia kaha, kia maya, kia manawa nui. Be strong, be steadfast, be willing. Church.